Something that a mechanic understands about life better than most people. If a vehicle breaks, a mechanic wants to fix it, but they don't make the mistake of believing once it's actually fixed, that it will stay that way forever. And when they do fix it, they use the machine, and they enjoy it. But at every moment, they realize that it could break again. A mechanic always understands that there's more machines to fix. And if you really think about it, that's our experience with life. Fixing and preparing for the challenges that come your way. And if you can learn to enjoy the entire experience of being alive, like the mechanic, learn to enjoy the moments that are challenging as much as the highs, then, my friend, you have won the game.